What we're going to go through now is how to properly calibrate a spray pattern. We always want to spray at the lowest possible pressure to reduce overspray. I've got the pump set at about 20 psi, and now I'm going to take the gun and 24 to 36 inches away from my test cardboard here, I'm going to take a snapshot of the pattern. And as you can see, I don't have a very developed spray pattern, so I'm going to turn the pump up in 5 to 10 psi increments to generate a better spray pattern. And then take another snapshot. Still not very good. I still have heavy fingers on each edge, and I don't have a very developed spray pattern in the middle, so I'm going to turn it up another 5 to 10 psi and take another snapshot of the spray pattern. It's getting better. It's starting to define the spray pattern in the center, but it's still not where I want it to be. I want to keep turning it up slowly until all I have is fingers on the edge of the spray pattern. So we turned it up another 5 to 10 psi, take another, it's getting much more developed. I've got much more of a rectangular shape in the spray pattern. I still have my fingers, but the center of the spray pattern is starting to define itself. Now I think I'm going to turn it up another 5 psi and do a snapshot of the spray pattern. That's exactly what we want. We've got a defined spray pattern in the middle, and we still have the fingers on the edge. And now we're going to use our air assist to eliminate those fingers or tails in the spray pattern. And we're going to start out the air assist out at 10 psi and eliminate the fingers from the spray pattern. Looking better. The air assist is starting to eliminate the fingers, but I still have some smaller fingers, so we're going to turn the air assist up another 5 to 10 psi. They're almost eliminated. I can still just barely have some slight tails or fingers, so we're going to turn it up to another 5 to 10 psi. Now we've got a perfectly developed spray pattern. We have no fingers or tails, nice smooth even mill thickness of resin from edge to edge. Now if this is not enough resin or too much resin, or if the spray pattern is too narrow or too wide at this point, we would need to change the spray tip in the gun and go through this same spray pattern calibration again. If I keep turning the pump up now, all I'm going to do is create more overspray.